Hi guys, here is Nedelko and today we will talk about how to stay motivated while learning programming. First, most important thing is practice. So practice is the most important thing when it comes to programming. Always keep it simple. This means code the bare minimum application. This is also called MVP, minimum viable product approach, which has basic features enough to do core functionalities. Second thing is take breaks, refresh your mind. Third thing is remember why you started to learn programming. Maybe it was the salary, which is above average. Maybe it was that you wanted to code from or work from any place in the world where you want. But this is something that will keep your focus and to keep you motivated in learning programming and learning software development. Fourth thing is to make a plan. I would suggest strongly to have at least 3 to 4 hours a day, because when you start to learn programming, you will see that you will find some obstacle, let's say it, and this obstacle will take hours and hours, which we can loop back to that first thing already mentioned, and that is to keep it simple. If you see that that approach is not working, then switch to another approach. Remember to keep the bare minimum core functionalities. Do not get tempted to extend these features and functionalities, because in that way you will not finish this application and you will lose motivation in this process. Fifth thing, which is really important when it comes to learning in general, is to remove the noise and distractions. When it comes to noise, this means that you will face obstacles and some other stuff that will comes. For example, you will watch tutorial, you will watch on YouTube some video, and you will continue and continue and continue, and you will forget what was the initial reason why you started to work on some part of application. This way, your reward, so to say, will be this application that works and that you can show it to others and that you can be proud of your work on what you did. This will give you additional boost in making another application, and by making each new application, you will be getting more and more motivated in learning programming and making progress every day. So also another thing that you will see, we have the link in the description which basically describe the fastest way to learn programming and also to find job faster and to say cut corners in your software development path. Take care. See you in the next video.